Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your site analysis with a SEMrush easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the SEMrush website. Log into your SEMrush account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Domain Analytics section on the left-hand menu. Enter your website URL in the search bar and click the search button. Wait a moment for the data to load, and then review the overview statistics provided. Take note of key metrics like organic search traffic, backlinks, and keyword rankings. Explore the Organic Research tab to dive deeper into your website's performance in search results. In the Organic Research section, review the top organic keywords driving traffic to your site. Analyze the search intent and volume of these keywords to assess their potential. Next, go to the Backlink Analytics section to evaluate your site's backlink profile. Check the total number of backlinks and referring domains. Identify high-quality backlinks and consider strategies to replicate them. After that, visit the Site Audit tool to assess site health. Set up a new site audit by entering your website URL and configuring the settings. Launch the audit and wait for the results to populate. Review the audit findings and prioritize the issues based on severity. Address critical issues first, such as broken links, missing meta tags, and duplicate content. Next, explore the Keyword Magic tool to discover new keyword opportunities. Enter a relevant keyword related to your niche and analyze the suggestions. Use filters to narrow down the suggestions based on difficulty and search intent. Create a list of targeted keywords to incorporate into your content strategy. Finally, generate a monthly report to track your site's progress over time. Customize the report to include the metrics most relevant to your goals. Schedule the report to be sent to your email regularly for ongoing insights. With these steps, you can effectively upgrade your site analysis with SEMrush. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.